Hey bestie! Ready to restock your dream fridge? Pick this or that and build your perfect fridge. Fridge Aesthetics. Pick your fridge. Pick your ice cubes. Pick your containers. Glass bottles or carton packs. Magnetic labels or aesthetic stickers. Sweet snacks and dessert mini. Pick your chocolate bar. Brownies or cookies. Ice cream pint or Magnum bar. Magnum Mini or M&M's ice cream cones. Pick your yogurt parfait. Chocolate-covered strawberries or Kit Kat bites. Oreo minis or pretzels. Pudding cup or yogurt. Fruit jelly or fruit jello. Pancake or waffle. Nutella toast or peanut butter sandwich. Banana bread or churros. Apple pie slice or cookie dough. Ice cream sandwich or popsicle. Marshmallows or cotton candy. Mochi or caramel flan. Drinks. Iced coffee or cold brew. Chocolate milk or strawberry milk. Green tea or hot cocoa. Smoothie or milkshake. Sparkling juice or soda. Coca-Cola or Sprite. Sour sweets and gummies. Sour Patch Kids are toxic waste. Branch lemon drops or Nerds gummy clusters. Trolley sour gums or Peeler's fruit gums. Watermelon Haribo or Coca-Cola Haribo? Strawberry fruit roll-up or peach rings? Mango slices or pineapple bites? Pick your mixed fruit. Fruit gummies or dried apricots? Berry mix cup or watermelon gummy mix? Comfort food? Instant ramen or mac and cheese? Pancake cereal or French toast? Burger or hot dog? Ham and cheese or cheeseburger macaroni? Pepperoni pizza or steamed dumplings? Spring rolls or noodles? Sandwich toast or toaster grills? Pick your seafood. Chicken nuggets or fish nuggets? Lasagna or spaghetti? Bye, bestie! Comment your picks, and see you in the next game.